Good morning, class 9th. Your fourth chapter, linear equation in two variable, is going on. Today we discuss exercise 4.4. First sum of exercise 4.4 is, give the geometrical representation of y is equal to 3 as an equation. Y is equal to 3. We give the geometrical representation. First is in one variable. So in one variable we draw a line, number line 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. This is y is equal to 3. This is y axis. So in y axis we represent y is equal to 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. This positive value of 3 is y is equal to 3. And in two variable, draw a graph, x-axis and y-axis. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. So this is origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and -1, -2, -3, -4. So we want to represent y is equal to 3. So firstly, which is y-axis? This is y-axis, and we represent the number 3. Y is equal to 3. So this is the y3 value. So to represent in two dimensional, we draw a line. In one dimension we plot only point, and in two dimension we draw a full line at y is equal to 3. So this line is equal to y is equal to 3 in two variable. Y is equal to 3. In second question, we are going to represent 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 on a line with the one variable and two variable, 2x plus 9. Here firstly we calculate the value of x. 2x is equal to -9, x is equal to -9 upon 2. So -9 upon 2 is approximate value is 4.5, -4.5. So x is equal to -4.5. In one variable, draw a number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So x is equal to -4.5. So -4.5. -4.5 is between -4 and -5. So this point is equal to x is equal to -4.5. -4.5 is between -4 and -5. Similarly, if we want to represent -4.5, x is equal to -4.5 in two variable, draw a graph with the x-axis and y-axis. Here origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So we are given x is equal to -4.5. So we plot this line on x-axis. This is x-axis, so find 4.5, which is between -4 and -5. So this point is -4.5. So I told you that we plot only point in one variable and we draw a line in two variable. If we want to represent x is equal to -4.5, we draw a line. So this line is equal to x is equal to -4.5.